What is psychology? And its types. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior, thoughts, and emotions. It seeks to understand and explain how people perceive, think, and relate to the world around them. This includes examining the processes of perception, learning, memory, motivation, emotion, and social interaction, among others. Clinical psychology focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of mental illness and emotional distress. Cognitive psychology studies how people process information, including perception, memory, problem-solving, and decision-making. Developmental psychology examines how individuals change and grow over the lifespan, from childhood through old age. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles to legal issues, such as criminal investigations and trials. Neuropsychology explores the relationship between the brain and behavior. Social psychology examines how people interact with each other and the influence of group dynamics. Sports psychology focuses on the psychological and mental factors that impact athletic performance. Educational psychology, concerned with how students learn and develop, often in educational settings. Positive psychology focuses on the study of positive emotions, well-being, and human strengths.